Hi, my name is Rose, and I am one of 12 employees at Santla. This area here, although it looks empty, usually on Mondays and Tuesday, it is not empty. Nor are those chairs. They are usually packed with job-seeking clients. On Mondays and Tuesdays, there's no room to sit or move up here because these chairs are filled with work-seeking clients and unemployment claim clients that come to us to claim their weeks. Our staff works diligently on those 2 days, although we do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday, except Friday. Sorry. But the clients still come on Monday and Tuesdays because they believe that those 2 days are the best days to look for work. We have Charles over there in his office, still working, trying to find people jobs. And we have Vincent here trying to figure out how to better help our clients. Vincent is so happy to be here. But we are very dedicated to our clients and to making our community grow, which is one of our mottos at Santla, which is the empowerment of the Haitian community. Should you require any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us at Santla at 305-573-4871 or drop us an email on info@santla.org or on Facebook or Twitter. Bye!